So today I'm going to review this. So this is the NERF Alpha Strike Cobra RC6. So I've got some what do they call it? Sticky bullets or something. And so this does not come in the set. Only these 12 bullets which are yellow will come. These I bought it on my own. I think I uploaded a video. I reviewed these bullets with my old gun. So my cousin brother gave it for me in my birthday. So this is just, you can pull this back and you can shoot it. So I'm just going to show you how it shoots. And these are the targets. So you can take these apart like this. Let me just put it back. You can put them as single half bottle targets like this, or you can just connect them and two targets will be there, and it will give a good effect when you shoot. It will just crack open like that. Some people might think you're breaking them like with your Nerf darts and stuff, but just tell them that they are targets and you can just put them back together. Then okay, I'll just show you shooting. Let me just, so I'll even show you me loading it in. So let's do that. Okay guys, so I'm going to make a pattern, like sort of. I'm just going to take these elite bullets that came with the Alpha Strike RC6 Cobra, and I'm just going to put 3 in the top, and I'm going to take these sucking bullets. Now I remembered what they are called. These are a little bit hard to put in, but it's okay. Okay, that. Okay, now I'm just going to set up the targets, and I'm just going to shoot it here a little. Oh, they're booming back to me, like literally. Oh my god, this gun has so much power. Yeah, sometimes if you don't pull it correctly, that happens. Apparently that's the wrong way. Okay, so I'm just going to put the Alpha Strike. No, not the Alpha Strike. The light bullets in all of the spots, and I'm just going to set up the targets, and I'm going to show me shooting. Okay, guys. So I put all the bullets in, as you can see, and let's go on to shooting. Okay, so guys, I'm going to shoot those targets I put there. So, oh no, one bullet fell off. I don't know how, but yeah, it fell off. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Ah, no. Yes. Oh, in one shot, all of them fell out. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, now I'm just going to set up the targets like 4. Let me just put them. I'm not putting them too close, so things like before can't happen. Okay. Done. Okay, now the bullets are loaded. Okay, now, oh no. Let me just leave a little bit more space here like that. Okay. Are the targets coming? Okay. I just shoot. Yeah! Yeah! Oh! the bullet. Here one. So I shoot 4, so I need 4 back. Okay, where is the other one? Right under there? Yeah. Oh, found it. Okay, so now I am going to like put them like dominoes, and then I can just shoot one and everyone will fall down. So like this. So the only rule for this is the space gaps should be a little shorter than this body size. So yeah, I shoot it at the target showing again. Okay, all of them. Oh, I did it. Oh, I hit the back too. How? Yeah, done. 3 shots for 4. Okay, now I'm going to shoot with the sticky bullet. So bring the camera here. I'm just going to load all of the sticky bullets. I only bought 6 sticky bullets. I have more, but I didn't just keep them here. So they provide 6 more elite bullets. So if you lose one, you can still play. Okay, I've loaded the sticky bullets. Now I'm going to shoot the balcony glass. Okay. Oh no, that one didn't stick. I'm just going to take the bullet. It didn't fall. Okay, I guess it fell into the sofa. I'm just going to take it now. Over. Oh! Okay. Okay guys, so that's it for the NERF Alpha Strike RC6 Cobra. And bye guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye!